Here's some marginal utility trivia. Subscribe. Which principle states that as consumption increases, additional satisfaction decreases? Is it A, economic equilibrium, B, law of supply, C, diminishing returns, or D, opportunity cost? The correct answer is C, diminishing returns. What type of goods have decreasing marginal utility as quantity increases? Is it A, complementary goods, B, inferior goods, C, Giffen goods, or D, normal goods? The correct answer is D, normal goods. How is the total utility calculated in economics? Is it A, multiplying by quantity, B, summing marginal utility, C, averaging marginal cost, or D, dividing total cost? The correct answer is B, summing marginal utility. What is the primary application of marginal utility analysis? Is it A, supply chain management, B, government regulation, C, labor negotiation, or D, consumer choice? The correct answer is D, consumer choice. What is it called when goods provide satisfaction beyond their market price? Is it A, market deficit, B, producer surplus, C, consumer surplus, or D, price control? The correct answer is C, consumer surplus. Who developed the ordinal utility theory in the 20th century? Is it A, Kenneth Arrow, B, Milton Friedman, C, John Hicks, or D, Alfred Marshall? The correct answer is C, John Hicks. In consumer theory, what represents a combination of goods with equal utility? Is it A, indifference curve, B, demand curve, C, supply curve, or D, isoquant line? The correct answer is A, indifference curve. What differentiates total utility from marginal utility? Is it A, quantitative changes, B, fixed income levels, C, qualitative differences, or D, one-time measurements? The correct answer is A, quantitative changes. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.